Good morning. Those of you who don't know me, my name's Ian, and I usually do not appear on my videos. I usually do not talk on my videos. Today I want to take you to one of my favorite waterfalls. Here we are at the trailhead, and the cars are right over there behind the bathrooms. And this is where we're headed, Raven Cliff Fall. Right over here, 2.5 miles, and we're on our way. It's 10 to 7, I'm fixing to hit this trail. And you are too. And we're off. This is the trails, they're pretty steep. And first thing I lost this morning was my phone service. It was gone when I got here. There's a neat looking bridge. Man-made, of course. Crossing the creek right now, first time. There are many more trees this time. The last time I came, it was in the middle of winter. Actually, it was October, but there was no leaves on the trees. And they have cleared these so you can still see this fall. It's not even 7 o'clock yet. I'm already at the first fall. Kind of curious and wondering why I wore my hat. I'm thinking I'm going to take it off. That would have been a water crossing, but it looks like it may be drying up. I wonder what the fall looks like. Here's where I've come from. Lots of walking going on here. Here's my path I gotta go now. But I stopped to take a moment and check out the water. We have a variety of bridges that we have to cross here. Here's one right here. Now 7:17 now. We made it to waterfall number 2. I'll try and get a better shot in a minute. Some shots are hard to pass up. You just have to get off the trail a minute. It's off to the next waterfall. That's 7:25 and came up what was a really nice waterfall. Of course, from this angle, you really don't see much. The last time I leaned against this tree right here and strongly advised against it, so I'm going down there again. Yeah, like I thought earlier, the water isn't as strong as it was. Still rather impressive. And I didn't lean on a tree, I'm leaning over the edge, if that makes you feel any better. And you can see right here, there was water coming off of there the last time I was here too. Now I gotta get out of here. That's the trail up there. It's really funny. When you walk these trails, water will be at a trickle. Sometimes you don't hear water. Other times it sounds like a steam engine. Another little mini fall. Too many trees falling down and really get near it. A lot of trees down in these woods. This is kind of cool right here. This is probably about the third time already that there is no bridge. If you want to get across, you hot rocks will get wet. Well, my tree's still here. I took a picture of that the last time I was here. The trail's starting to get a little steeper now. That tells me we're getting closer, which is all good. I followed this path, but it wasn't the trail. But in the back of me, I'm starting to see rock. Which tells me I'm right about here. Now we really go uphill. And up. And up. Here's Raven Cliff, ladies and gentlemen. This is as far as I thought some people ever make it. They sit here all day and party and eat. Never really knowing what's just in store for you just a few feet away.